Hi everyone, welcome back to Mandalas by Vani YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create this beautiful 4-inch dot mandala coaster step by step. Let's get started. I'm going to use dark pink color. Now I'm going to use my white color. Now I'm using color number 1. Now I'm using my white color for micro dotting. Now I'm using color number 6. Now I'm using white color. Now I'm using color number 2. Now I'm using color number 4. Now I'm using color number 5. Now I'm using color number 6. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy dotting!